Welcome. If you're tired of the default Gmail notification sound on your mobile and want to make it truly your own, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to change your Gmail notification sound to a custom tone, step by step, with the latest method. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to change the notification sound. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the screen for the menu icon. It's those three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Give it a tap. Now, scroll down through the menu options until you see Settings. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the email accounts you have connected to Gmail on your device. Choose the account you want to customize by tapping on it. Next, you'll see a bunch of settings specific to that account. Look for Notification Sounds. You might need to tap on it twice. Once to open the notification settings, and again to access the sound options. This is where the magic happens. Tap on Sound. You'll be presented with a list of available notification tones. If you want to use a sound that's already on your device, simply scroll through the list and select your favorite. But if you want something truly unique, look for an option to open your file manager or browse for custom sounds. This lets you pick any audio file you've saved on your phone. Maybe a favorite song clip, a funny ringtone, or even a recording of your own voice. Once you've chosen your custom sound, confirm your selection. That's it. Now, whenever you get a new email in Gmail, you'll hear your personalized notification tone. Changing your Gmail notification sound is a simple way to make your phone feel more personal and fun. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new custom notification sound.